Today's design thinking video is for protecting ourselves better within this lockdown situation. Today we are going to make a face mask with benefits of antiviral technology prescribed in Ayurveda, which is the world's oldest holistic healing systems, developed more than 3000 years ago in India.
Yeah! Okay!
2020 came with a bang. Actually, it came with the bugle call of a battle. A battle between humanity and COVID-19, better known as the novel coronavirus. Within months, it contaminated the whole planet and brought down the most powerful nations to their knees. With knowledge and understanding of this situation, all the citizens are preparing themselves for this war. Social distancing, quarantine, and isolations are no more buzzword, but are only options to survive. World is inside a lockdown with most of the people being able to follow it completely, but unfortunately, many cannot. The modern medical research provides enough evidences that turmeric has antibacterial and antiviral properties. But this was known to Indians thousands of years ago. If you look at the traditional Indian weddings, it has a ritual known as haldi ceremony where turmeric paste is applied to both bride and groom and then washed off after a few hours. This is like a holy bath that cleanses their bodies completely. Muslims communities also have a similar haldi ceremony called as manja, where haldi is applied on bride for 4 to 11 days before the marriage. Understanding the antiviral properties of turmeric, we are going to learn the application of turmeric in making a coronavirus mask. This is going to make our mask antiviral, and moreover, the antidepressant curcumin present in turmeric will help you to get rid of your anxiety and mild headaches. For making the mask, we need 5 things. 1 is turmeric powder. Second, half a cup of water. We need a spray bottle, tissue paper of any kind, handkerchief. Now make sure that this is big enough to be tied around your face. First of all, pour 1 teaspoon of turmeric in the water and mix it properly. Now pour the mixture in the spray bottle. Now spray this turmeric water on both sides of the tissue paper and wait for 5 to 10 minutes for it to dry. Remember that turmeric settles down in the bottle and may choke the spray can, so shake your spray bottle well before you spray the liquid mixture. Now put this antiviral tissue paper in between a handkerchief. I'm repeating, make sure that your handkerchief is big enough to be tied around your face. Now carefully tie this sandwich anti-corona mask around your face to protect yourself from the virus. We use design thinking for improvising the home cloth mask. We applied antiviral turmeric on paper tissues and sandwiched it between the masking cloth. This added 3 more advantages to the already existing home cloth mask. First, it created more layers on the mask. Second, it added an antiviral sheathing for less viral transmission. And third was to add a natural antidepressant curcumin to keep you refreshed during the lockdown. I wish and pray for the safety of everyone in the world. As Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi said, social distancing is not just for the sick, it is for all, even for the Prime Minister. So stay safe, maintain social distancing. In the end, I would request you to please subscribe to the channel for more design thinking insights.